everyone, I'm Monica Rana. This is Jago Himachal 365 Dar ke nahi datke and you're watching Hillquest News channel. Let's start with the headlines. Shut markets greet tourists in Himachal's Kasauli. Safety kits given to Asha workers in Kangra. Every house of Himachal Pradesh to get tap water supplied, said Minister. Land compensation for 4-lane project begins. Not an outsider, I belong to a family of die-hard congressmen, said Navjot Singh Sidhu. Indian Railways to get 50 special trains back on track from today. Congress alleges another land scam in Ayodhya. Congress seeks restoration of status quo ante in Jammu and Kashmir. Free COVID-19 vaccination for adults from today. COVID pre-registration not mandatory. Rahul Gandhi slams Center for not paying compensation to kin of COVID victims. Now news in detail. Shut markets greet tourists in Himachal's Kasauli. Closed markets greeted tourists in the cantonment town of Kasauli yesterday as markets continue to be shut for the weekends in the state. Though the state government has permitted shops to open for a limited duration from Monday to Friday, they continue to remain closed for the weekends in view of the pandemic. A large number of tourists who had come from Chandigarh, Punjab and Haryana for a day's trip to Kasauli were disappointed. Owing to its proximity to the plains, Kasauli is the most preferred hill station among the tourists who usually spend a day strolling on the famous Mall Road and return back refreshed. Safety kits given to Asha workers in Kangra. Shakti Foundation, a Delhi-based NGO, in collaboration with the Health and Family Welfare Authorities of Kangra district, distributed 116 Asha Shakti kits to workers for their contribution in tackling the second wave of the COVID pandemic. Kangra District Program Officer Dr. R.K. Sood and Block Medical Officer Indora Dr. Vijay Kalia were present. A safety kit comprises 2 oximeter, 2 digital thermometer, 100 latex gloves, an apron, 50 cotton fabric mask, 50 triple layer surgical mask and a face shield. Every house of Himachal Pradesh to get tap water supplied, said Minister. Every household in the state would get clean tap water under Har Ghar Nal Ka Jal scheme within 1.5 years, said Jal Shakti Minister Mahendra Singh. During his visit to lay the foundation stone of various schemes worth rupees 12.28 crore in Nirmand region of the district, he said the government under the leadership of Chief Minister Jairam Thakur would accomplish the goal under the Jal Jeevan Mission. The minister said rupees 1000 crore from the Asian Development Bank and rupees 800 crore from the BRICS Development Bank had been approved for drinking water and irrigation schemes. He said there were sufficient funds for providing clean drinking water to the people of the state. The minister said the state secured the first position under the Jal Jeevan Mission for the second consecutive year. He said rupees 1405 crore had been sanctioned this year under the scheme. He praised Ani MLA Kishori Lal Sagar and urged him to work on the sewerage system in row on priority. Land compensation for 4-lane project begins. The NHAI has released a sum of rupees 145 crore to the district authorities on account of the cost of land and buildings acquired as land acquisition process has been completed for the first phase of the 4-lane project between Pathankot and 32 miles in Kangra district. The SDM Nurpur, who is also competent authority for land acquisition CELA, has started distribution of land compensation to the affected parties. A senior officer in local project office of the NHAI said that global bids for the first phase of the project had already been completed and construction work of the highway valuing rupees 1002.11 crore had been awarded to the Gurgaon-based construction company. Not an outsider, I belong to a family of die-hard congressmen, said Navjot Singh Sidhu. Amid the brainstorming by the party high command to end the crisis in the Punjab Congress, former Minister Navjot Singh Sidhu on Sunday asserted that he was as much a traditional congressman as any of his detractors within the party. He questioned Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh on his failure to deliver justice in the Bargari and Kothapura police firing cases. Indian Railways to get 50 special trains back on track from today. Earlier this week, Union Railways Minister Piyush Goyal had revealed a list of trains that are going to be back on track from today, and then more which will resume services later this week and onwards. Train services that have remained closed since the imposition of the coronavirus disease necessitated restrictions during the lockdown are gradually getting back on track. The Indian Railways has said that the weekly trains running from Ranchi to Ara and from Tatanagar to Amritsar will start once again from this week. Along with the weekly trains, a bunch of other special train services is also beginning from today, that is from Monday. Congress alleges another land scam in Ayodhya. The opposition Congress alleged another land purchase scam by the Ram Temple Trust in Ayodhya and demanded a Supreme Court monitored time-bound investigation into the matter. Party's chief spokesperson Randeep Surjewala alleged a BJP leader bought 890 square meter land in Ayodhya for rupees 20 lakh in February and sold it to the temple and trust for rupees 2.5 crore at a profit of 1,250% in 79 days. Last week also, the party has alleged that the trust brought a piece of land for rupees 18.5 crore, which the transferor had bought for rupees 2 crore just a few months earlier. Trust official Champat Rai had maintained that the land was originally brought for rupees 2 crore and registered accordingly on March 18. But his onward sale to the trust was at the current market price, which had increased since the Supreme Court ordered the temple construction. In that case also, the Congress had demanded a court-monitored probe. Congress seeks restoration of status quo ante in Jammu and Kashmir. Ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's June 24 Jammu and Kashmir outreach, the Congress has demanded reappeal of Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019 and restoration of special status quo ante in the erstwhile state. Status quo ante return to the pre-August 5, 2019 position is also what the People's Alliance of Gupkar declaration has been seeking. This means restoration of special status and full statehood. Congress veteran and CWC member P. Chidambaram on Monday said, Congress party's position that full statehood must be restored to Jammu and Kashmir should clear any doubt or ambiguity. What was made under the Constitution cannot be unmade by an act of Parliament misinterpreting and misusing the provision of the Constitution. Free COVID-19 vaccination for adults from today. COVID pre-registration not mandatory. The new policy of India's inoculation strategy, in which the central government will provide free vaccine against COVID-19 to adults across state, will begin today. Earlier in June, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that the centre will take over from the states, which were supposed to be carrying out about 25% of the country's vaccination drive and continue with its ongoing efforts to inoculate the section of the population that is above 45 years of age, healthcare and frontline workers. The centre's new policy came days after Supreme Court slammed the ongoing vaccination drive for the 18 to 44 age group and called it arbitrary and irrational. Rahul Gandhi slammed Centre for not paying compensation to kin of COVID victims. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Monday hit out at the government for not paying ex gratia compensation to families of those who died of COVID. It is impossible to evaluate life. Government's compensation is only a small help, but the Modi government is not ready to even do that, he said. First, the lack of treatment during the COVID pandemic and then the false figures, and on top of that, the government cruelty, he said in a tweet in Hindi. The centre has told the Supreme Court that ex gratia compensation of rupees 4 lakh cannot be paid to the family of those who have died of COVID-19, as it is beyond fiscal affordability and the finances of the central and state governments are under severe strain. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hillquest News channel. Thank you.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है.
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष.
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज. हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ. हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ.
हेलो हिमाचल हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना समाचार मनोरंजन एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है।
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquist News. I am Garima.
मेरा नाम है आशीष।
ये है हिमाचल 365 टीवी और आप देख रहे हैं हिलक्विस्ट टीवी न्यूज। हम जल्द आ रहे हैं पूरे हिमाचल की ताजा तरीन खबरों के साथ। हर तरह के समाचारों के लिए देखिए हिमाचल 365 टीवी और जुड़े रहिए हिलक्विस्ट न्यूज के साथ।